Children sometimes find it hard to fall asleep. What if you could read them a bedtime story to help them fall asleep quickly, easily, and without drugs? This book can help you do just that. It includes proven, safe sleep induction techniques used by child psychologists. The story uses the calming, hypnotic power of rhyme and rhythm. All parents know that gentle rocking rhythms can soothe a child. The rhyming is as important as the rhythm. Children love poems that rhyme. Breathe deeply. Relax. Imagine a safe and peaceful place. Children drift into dreamland while listening to the story of the kitten who wants to fall asleep.